Imagine a world so hostile, so crushing, so cold that even the strongest machines crack under pressure. A world where sunlight has never touched, where life should be impossible yet. Something extraordinary is happening in this black abyss. There are creatures down there that live for over a century, some for hundreds, one even for thousands. No food farms, no doctors, no safety nets, just raw nature and immortality. How is that possible? What if the key to longevity isn't on land at all, but hidden miles beneath the waves at the edge of our planet's final frontier? On land, humans fight aging with creams, surgeries, and science. But under the ocean, some creatures simply don't age, or at least not in the way we understand it. Deep beneath the surface, there are organisms with lifespans exceeding that of any land mammal. But why the answer begins with three powerful forces: cold temperatures, immense pressure, and extreme isolation. Together, these create a natural time capsule, a place where metabolic processes slow to an almost frozen state, and evolution carves creatures into masters of survival. Down here, time itself moves differently. Let's meet the senior citizens of the ocean creatures that have turned survival into an art form. First up, the Greenland shark. Scientists estimate this living relic can live up to 400 years. Yes, 400. That means some Greenland sharks alive today were born before the United States existed. Then there's the ocean quahog, a humble clam that can live over 500 years. The oldest recorded specimen, nicknamed Ming, lived to be 507 before scientists accidentally killed it while trying to study it. Even the red sea urchin clocks in at a respectable 200 years. These creatures aren't just surviving, they're thriving. So what biological secrets are they hiding? So how do they do it? First, cold water is like nature's refrigerator. It slows cellular activity and metabolic rates, reducing wear and tear over time. The Greenland shark, for instance, has one of the slowest metabolic rates of any vertebrate. It grows just 1 centimeter per year. Second, low predation. In the dark, empty depths, there's little competition and fewer predators. These animals aren't rushing to escape or hunt, they float, feed, and survive in slow motion. Third, unique DNA repair mechanisms. Some of these species have exceptional biological strategies for reducing cell damage, resisting cancer, and slowing genetic mutation rates. In essence, their bodies are built for patience and endurance. But longevity isn't all bliss. With slow growth comes slow reproduction. Greenland sharks don't reach sexual maturity until about 150 years old. Imagine not being able to start a family until the year 2175. This makes them incredibly vulnerable. If too many are killed, populations collapse because they can't reproduce fast enough to recover. Longevity trades off agility, growth, and adaptability. They also live in the most unforgiving environments. They may live long, but their lives are solitary, cold, and filled with darkness. No light, no social groups, just the eternal silence of the abyss. What can we, creatures of the surface, learn from these ancient survivors? For one, aging isn't a fixed process. It's a negotiation between biology and environment. Second, slowness is not weakness. In the deep sea, slowness is power, control, endurance. Some scientists believe studying these creatures might unlock human longevity. Could mimicking the DNA repair mechanisms of these animals lead to anti-aging treatments? Could their metabolic secrets be applied to medicine? But more importantly, should we even try to outlive nature's rules? As you listen to this, somewhere in the depths of the North Atlantic, an ancient Greenland shark is gliding silently, as it has for centuries. It has seen empires rise and fall, heard no wars, no greed, just the rhythm of the ocean. In a world racing faster every day, these creatures offer a message: slow down, endure, adapt. In the silence of the deep, age is not something to fear, it's something to master. And perhaps, just perhaps, the key to immortality isn't a pill or a machine, but a mystery hidden in the darkest corners of the sea.